What's going on, guys? Shit, sorry about the sun, but today we are heading to Fiesta Island. Actually, we were literally just pulled up to Fiesta Island out down in San Diego, and I brought my bike. I don't know if you can see it in the back, but I brought my bike. I thought it'd be cool to like throw it down on the beach, as this is a beach where you can pull your vehicle up right on the beach. It's actually pretty cool, and thought it'd be cool to get some shots and videos and stuff. And my buddy's actually bringing his stand-up jet ski, so we'll probably rip that around for a little bit too, maybe get some footage of that. But that'd be cool to like do a little, photo session, see what I can get out of it, especially since it's gonna be sunset and everything, so it should be good. Anyways, see you when I get there. So we finally made it to the beach. My boy's jet skiing in the background, you might see him. But I'm gonna start taking some pictures. I already took some videos to possibly make an edit of the bike. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but for now I'm just gonna see if I can get some cool shots before the sun goes down. And honestly, call it a day. Probably rip the jet ski.